Here is the exact redesign that helped an aesthetic clinic increase inquiries and why it worked. My name is Papu Kumar Singh. I redesigned website for aesthetic clinics of UK so that they can get more inquiries and their website look more premium. So in today's video, I'm going to break down a real example of a website before after, and I'm going to talk about the psychology that why I have used that button and why I have used the color that I have used. Before, what was wrong? So you can see the website right here, which she has previously, which has cluttered layout, weak call to action button, no trust section, outdated colors, hard to navigate, no before and after showcase, messy treatment guide. So you can see her website right here, that how it was looking. No clear menu. You can see all the menu are spreaded throughout the page, and then you can see there is no any strategy behind the structure. They have used anything, they have written anything. You can see this big image right here. Once we have seen her website, then we talked to her, done a meeting, and then asked. Also, you can say previously her logo was like this, which was not making any sense. It was just a text, which is BA and all. So I asked her whether she wanted the logo or not. And then she told me that we need a logo and we have to rebrand from beginning. Then we have talked about the color which she likes, and then we have chosen these three colors. And then we have tried to come up with the homepage design which covers these three colors of the logo. You can see how the website is looking after the redesign. It looks clean, modern. I have added clear headline and strong primary call to action button. Let me pull that website right here. So it is brillianceaesthetics.com.uk. You can see one clear heading, and supporting that we have added one subheading and then one call to action button, which is book now. Along with that, we have made sure that we are adding all the images which helps customer to make a connection with beer, and then we have added FAQ as well, and then some more text related to why customer need to choose beer or brilliance aesthetics. Along with that, we have added the reviews that you can see right here. Before the reviews was not integrated in the website, and added how many years of experience she have, and what is her promise for every clients that come to her clinic. Also, we have added this chat with us section, so that if the user want to know some of the common question, then they can ask from here as well. With that, we have added treatment section and added each treatment in a different page, and added a short description, what is the benefit, who this treatment is best for, and before after, and one call to action button on each treatment. So this is the process that we have followed to design her treatment page, and made sure that everything is in place. We have added the about us section as well, and made sure that we are adding the involvement of our clinic by adding pictures. So you can see we have added one picture of our clinic and one picture of herself. So this is how we have redesigned the website of Brilliance Aesthetics. The result of that are she got a lot of booking, and also the number of inquiries increases after we have redesigned the website, and mobile version is better as well. Client trust more now because they see that the website look premium and it is clean and modern. So this is how we have redesigned the website. If you want us to help you redesign your website as well, click on the link of this description and then get in touch with us, and then we will see if you are a good fit for working together. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.